students, I'm your Komali ma'am. In this video, I'm going to teach you top 10 most important organic chemistry reactions from aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids chapter. You know, organic conversions usually, students, whether you are preparing for NEET, JEE mains or board examination, this is very much helpful. You know, usually you feel difficulty, in organic conversions because each conversion will be having multiple steps. In this video, I am going to teach you organic conversions in a single step which you can finish. I'll try my best to make it very simple and easy for you. Let's watch it and rock it. Let us see, before going to enter into the organic conversion directly, I will give you some basic requirements, most important requirements for you. Watch this carefully. By using this, you are going to solve the questions fatafat. Okay? First one, for example, you take aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid. What usually they can ask you? Either convert aldehyde into alcohol or ketones to alcohol. This might be the questions, right? Next, carboxylic acid to alcohol. So how many conversions I gave you here? Aldehydes to alcohols, ketones to alcohol, carboxylic acids to alcohol. 3 conversions, right? Either aldehyde directly to carboxylic acid, 1 conversion. Ketone directly to carboxylic acid, another conversion. Total 5 conversions I gave you. Okay. Next, aldehyde directly they can ask you to convert into alkanes. Ketone directly they can ask to convert into alkanes, and carboxylic acids they can ask you to convert into alkanes. So total how many conversions done? Aldehydes to alcohol, ketones to alcohol, carboxylic acids to alcohol, 3 conversions. Directly aldehydes to carboxylic acids or ketones to carboxylic acid, how many conversions? 2. 3 plus 2, 5 conversions. Next, aldehyde directly to alkanes, ketones directly to alkanes, carboxylic acid directly to alkanes, how many? 3. 5 plus 3, 8 conversions. Next, carboxylic acids they may ask you to convert into derivatives like acid halides, and one more is amides. Then total how many conversions, students? Total 10 conversions. But one more extra tip and bonus for you, like in this 10 conversions, I will try to cover 20 plus different reaction. Means in this one short video itself, if you watch this video till the end, different 20 plus reactions easily, boards, NEET, mains, any exam of this, you can easily get that grip. Okay, let us see. Aldehyde, first general formula. What is an aldehyde general formula? Tell me. Aldehyde general formula R C double bond OH. Ketones general formula R C double bond O R. These 2 groups may be same or different. Carboxylic acid R C double bond O OH. Repeat. Aldehyde R C double bond H, ketones R C double bond O R, carboxylic acid R C double bond OH. Aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid. You want to convert into alcohol. Means what you are doing? You are going to just break this bond, add 1 H here, 1 H here. Means you are adding hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is known as what? Reduction. You are going to do reduction. So break this bond, put H here, H here. So what you will get the product? Tell me. What you will get? Alcohol. R. H you are adding. So C, here H, here H. Total 2 H's are there. And here OH. Alcohol. Okay. This is which alcohol? Primary alcohol. And break this bond, add, do reduction. Means 1 H here, 1 H here. Okay. R, C, H, and here top OH is there, top or down. OH is there and R. This is which alcohol? Secondary alcohol. Why? OH connected carbon that is connected with 2 other carbons. That's why it is secondary. OH connected carbon that is connected with only 1 alkyl group, primary. Next, carboxylic acids, if you do reduction, how to break is, listen carefully. This CO, polar bond will break. H. So first you will get aldehyde. Carboxylic acids upon reduction, first aldehyde. Again aldehyde converts into primary alcohol. So aldehydes converts further into alcohol. What is the alcohol formula? Break the bond HH. So RCH2OH. Actually, I'm not doing directly conversion. Before that, I'm giving you this knowledge so that you will get that strong grip. Aldehydes to alcohol, ketones to alcohol, carboxylic acid to alcohol. These three are what? Reduction. Reduction. Which are the most three important reducing agents is these three if you have in your grip, because in between of conversions these three will come. One most important reducing agent is, I will write three here. Very, very important. First, nickel over hydrogen. Okay. Or hydrogen over nickel means nickel is a catalyst over hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen over nickel. Next one is, second thing is lithium aluminium hydride. LiAlH4. Third one, sodium borohydride, NaBH4. These three are most important reducing agents. Repeat, hydrogen over a nickel catalyst. Second one is lithium aluminium hydride. Third one is sodium borohydride. Okay, see how easily we'll do. Nickel over hydrogen, it will perform all the three reactions. 1, 2, 3. What is the meaning of this? It converts aldehydes to alcohols, ketones to alcohols, carboxylic acids to alcohol. Done. Three reactions you learnt here. Lithium aluminium hydride, it will do this reaction, do this reaction, do this reaction. So, three reductions it will perform. These two are strong reducing agents. But sodium borohydride is a weak reducing agent. It will act only on the first two, aldehydes and ketones, but it cannot act on carboxylic acid. So total how many reducing agent reactions you have learned here? By using this three threes are 9 different reactions you are able to do it here. Clear? Clear? Like it. Please like this video, yaar. What are you looking? Next one. See here. Aldehyde to alkanes I'll teach you. Aldehydes to alkane means what you are going to do? This is our aldehyde. Na? Again I am going to write RC double bond OH. Here this C double bond O group we have to convert into CH2. There is one special, two special named reagents are there. Okay, these two convert C double bond O group into CH2 group. CH2 if it converts CH to H, total CH3. So which one? What are those two? That is called this reaction. C double bond O group can be converted into CH2 group. This can be performed by two reactions. One is Clemmensen reduction. Second one is Wolff-Kishner reduction. I will write you what are these two reagents after some time. Next slide I will write you. Okay. Repeat what are those two. C double bond O group converts into CH2. That means you can convert aldehydes, ketones into alkanes. Two reagents can do that. What are those two? Wolff-Kishner, Clemmensen reduction, Wolff-Kishner reduction. Easy. Right. So these two aldehydes to alkanes, which two? One is Clemmensen reduction, one is Wolff-Kishner reduction. We can do. Ketones also we can perform Clemmensen reduction, Wolff-Kishner reduction. So previously we learnt 9 reactions, 3 threes are with 3 and here 2 twos are 4. With either this they can ask you, either this or either this. So total here 4 reactions you learnt. Okay. Next. Carboxylic acids to alkanes. How can we convert carboxylic acids to alkanes? Here, these are RC double bond OH is a carboxylic acid. This C double bond O group is, this C double bond OH, entire group you need to remove. Then there are 2 ways. This C double bond O, if you remove CO2, this CO2 part if you remove, then minus loss means removal of CO2. It is called decarboxylation. What is that? Decarboxylation. One step is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. See, decarboxylation. What is decarboxylation? I'll give you. Second one. Another one we can use red phosphorus over hydrogen iodide also we can use, so that carboxylic acid we can convert into alkanes. I will write it and I'll show you just to see the skeleton how how nicely if you have this in your grip, you will do multi-step conversions without knowing this. How many conversions you open? No possibility from this chapter. You don't get that grip. Next one. Aldehydes to carboxylic acid. Students, listen carefully. Aldehydes to carboxylic acid or ketones to carboxylic acid, how can we convert? Aldehydes or ketones, we can do oxidation. What is that oxidizing agent? Three best oxidizing agents. One is, listen carefully, these are oxidation reactions. You are converting aldehydes to carboxylic acid or ketones to carboxylic acid. One, K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate in acidic medium, one reaction. Next, second one, KMnO4 in acidic medium or basic medium. This is one reaction. Next, chromic acid. The next one is, chromic acid, H2CrO4. So total, either aldehydes to carboxylic acid, any of this you can use, you can convert aldehyde to carboxylic acid. Either ketones, any of one of this you can use and you can convert ketones to carboxylic acid. Okay, write it all this. If not possible, you are busy in your exams, I will send you all these presentations to you. You just practice it. Understand? Then what? Either this you can convert, either this you can convert. Got it? Then total how many? Here 3 reactions. Here with this 3 reactions, total 6 reactions you can cover. Then by this time already 19 reactions you can get it just in less than few minutes. Right? Next one. Carboxylic acids you can convert into acid halides. How? This is carboxylic acid. RCOOH is a carboxylic acid. How can you convert into acid halides? Treat with either PCl5 or thionyl chloride. Just remove this OH, put Cl. RC double bond OCl. Easy. So 2 reactions here. Either they can give this to this, means either you can use this, plus 2. Then total how many? 21 reactions you have learnt here. Then again, acid halides, even you can convert into amide. How can you convert acid halide into amide? Treat with ammonia. 1 H and 1 Cl goes out. Finally, you will get RC double bond O NH2. If you want, you make it in video little slow and also you can watch. Now, every detail I have covered here, right? Let us say fatafat you need to answer now. If you want, you can pause this video. You can watch everything what I discussed. Now you need to solve the questions along with me. Are you ready? Ready? Let us see the first question. Okay, aldehyde to primary alcohol. Tell me students, by the time I write the question over the screen, what you have to do? You need to try answering this. RC double bond O aldehyde. I want primary alcohol. What is a primary alcohol? What I am doing here? I am just breaking this bond and what I am doing? I am adding one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. Reduction. What are the 3 reducing agents I have given you in the list? Tell me. First one, hydrogen over the nickel. Second, either lithium aluminium hydride we can use. Third conversion, tell me. Sodium borohydride. Any one of these 3 reagent we can use here. Done. Tell me the second one. Ketones we want to convert into secondary alcohol. By the time I write this reaction, you need to find out the reagent. Faster. I want to break this bond. H here, reduction. What are the 3 reducing agents we can use? Repeat. First one is hydrogen over the nickel. Say. Second one is lithium aluminium hydride. Third one is sodium borohydride. Very important, these 3. Right? Next, try question number 3. Carboxylic acids to alcohols. How can you convert carboxylic acids? Out of the 3, I told you 1 you cannot use. What is that? First it will break. Aldehyde you will get. Again aldehyde converts into alcohol. So this reaction can be performed by hydrogen over nickel it can do. Second one is lithium aluminum hydride can perform, but one is weak reducing agent which cannot perform. What is that? Sodium borohydride is a weak which cannot do this reaction. 3 you have done. Try question number 4. Aldehydes to carboxylic acid. Which one? Aldehyde. By the time I write it, you should tell the answer. Come on. Try this. Try this. Aldehyde to carboxylic acid. 3 oxidizing agents. What are those 3 oxidizing agents? Faster. First one is K2Cr2O7. Potassium dichromate in acidic medium. Second one is KMnO4. Potassium permanganate in acidic medium or basic medium. Third one is chromic acid H2CrO4. Very good. 3 can perform. Same 3 next question also can cover. What is that? Ketones to carboxylic acid also. What is the answer if ketones to carboxylic acid? Same thing. Ketone you take. Carboxylic acid if you want to convert, any of one of these can be present. Okay, clear? Suppose if you by heart one, okay, you are trying to write, but in another organic reaction, if you see in some other textbook, if it is there here, you don't confuse, na? If you don't know this, you will get a confusion, you feel difficulty. But these 3 if you have in your hand, that anyone, okay, this also I can use, this also you can use. Next one, ketones to carboxylic acid we have done. Next question, tell me what is the next question? Just a second. Okay, aldehyde to alkene. What is the reducing agent we can use? Aldehyde to alkene. Aldehyde. R-C double bond O H is an aldehyde. Alkene means the C double bond O group we need to convert into CH2. I told you. CH2 and this H. Total CH3. 2 reagents I mentioned there. What are those 2 reagents? One is Clemmensen reduction. Second one is Wolff-Kishner reducing agent. One time we will see what is this Clemmensen reduction reaction. What is this Clemmensen reduction? Zinc amalgam in HCl is means zinc amalgam in acidic medium. So Clemmensen is, this reaction is performed in acidic medium. Same activity can be done by this Wolff-Kishner also, but what is the difference? Is Wolff-Kishner is, what is it? Its function also? Reduction, its function also, it converts C double bond O group into CH2. What is the reducing agent? NH2, hydrogen, NH2, hydrazine. Yeah, now see here, what is it? Clemmensen reduction, that is zinc amalgam in HCl, Wolff-Kishner reduction, hydrogen in the basic medium. Correct? Now, any of these 2 you can use and you can convert aldehydes into alkanes. Same thing you can do even for ketones also. Same reaction. Same this one, instead of here I'll put here ketone, you can convert C double bond O group into CH2. So what is the product I'll be getting? C double bond O place, I will keep CH2 and I will write R here. Easy students, easy. Ketones also we can convert into alkanes. Next, carboxylic acids we want to convert into alkanes. I have given you 2 reagents. What are those? RC double bond OH. This is carboxylic acid. I am going to convert into alkane. So in this case, what I want to tell you is, there are 2 things. One is, you can remove this CO2. If you want to remove the CO2, then I will get alkane 1 carbon less. Let's say if you are taking ethanoic acid, CH3COOH. Then this CO2 you are removing. If you remove this CO2, you will get a CH3 and H total you will get a CH4. Means 1 carbon lesser, descending series if you want to do. You need to do decarboxylation. What is that? Repeat. Repeat, decarboxylation you need to do. What is the reagent for decarboxylation? NaOH plus CaO, sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide soda lime. If you take this and heat, then what will happen? CO2 goes out, correct? And if not, ma'am, I want to remove, complete this group, but let's say 2-membered acid means I want a 2-membered alkane only I want. Okay, this is 1 member less if I want, I need to do decarboxylation. Same number of carbons, how many is there in parent? I want the same. Then what I need to do, students, tell me, this is a same, right? Then in such case, red phosphorus over hydrogen iodide. Very important. Repeat, red phosphorus over hydrogen iodide. Same number of carbon atoms in the acid series we can, to get it, we have to use it. 2 reactions you covered here. Okay, done. Next one, carboxylic acids you converted into alkanes. Next, carboxylic acids into acid halide. What is carboxylic acid? R C double bond O, OH is carboxylic acid. Acid halide, R C double bond O, Cl, means acid derivative you are preparing. From acid you are getting this. You can use phosphorus pentachloride or thionyl chloride. Simple thing is remove this OH, put a Cl. Clear? Clear. If next question you see carboxylic acids to amide, then in such case of question, what you can do, same step you can do, and you can treat with even ammonia also. Then if you treat with ammonia of this, H and Cl, 1 H and 1 Cl goes out, you can get the amides. Easy, easy. And like this, different organic conversions, most important organic conversions, I'll make in next videos. Follow that and get highest marks in chemistry. Thank you so much for watching this video. And this all presentations, one thing I'll do, if possible, I'll add one QR code next to this. Just give your mail there and download that QR code, fill it and download it. Then this all presentations will come to your mail. I will send to your mail. Whenever you want, you can just refer it. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Komali. I am your chemistry mentor. See you in next video, students. Take care.